into comfortable position. Sitting up straight, your hips and spine and neck aligned, your hands on your lap or by your side or upon your heart center. And breathing in, taking in from below your feet a white light tinged and toned with lavender and pink, and moving up through the soles of your feet, through bone and muscle, blood, circulatory system, all aspects of your form. It spreads through, consuming up your body until it has moved from below your feet and is expanded out the top of your head. And breathing in calm, breathing in certainty, the knowing, and your thoughts focused on your body and radiant good health. And knowing that as you breathe, taking in this light, these colors, that it is true and fills your form. And see it permeating throughout your entire physical being. And as you breathe out, consciously hold the intention of breathing out all that gets in the way of your understanding, of your experience, and knowing that you are radiant, perfect alignment and health in body and mind, essence. And continue breathing in this manner, breathing in the lavender, the pink, the white light, allowing these to morph and take on the colors and hues necessary for you personally to be healed, to restore the knowing that it is your natural state and you are never outside of it. And those colors, those frequencies that come assisting, filling your brain down through the realms, through the top of your head, around your body, all layers of your auric field, your energy extension of the physical self in essence form. So the energies flow, removing those patterns of thinking that believe you are fractured from divine healing and wholeness. As liquid metal poured into a mold, so the energies flowing down from your true self, the expansion, the source, fill these energy layers and bodies with the knowing and the memory and the correction of the blueprint of your form. And into your body, your physical form, as it continually is filled with the white, lavender, and pink light. So it fills through every bone, all space between atoms, your molecules, your cells, all fluids of your form, all tissue, all muscle, all aspects filled with the memory and the knowing that you are fine-tuned in harmonic accord of perfect health and vitality. your cells, your atoms, they hum, they align, they increase in frequency to such a degree, not of your doing, but as the divine that moves through, that is the energy all is built from, that creates who and what you are in the world. It raises the frequencies, the vibrations, the tone to perfect health. And hold in your mind's eye the knowing, the vision of your perfect well-being. And relaxing, allowing the body to fade, to blend as the white light with golden hue that streams now through, with the pink, the lavender, and all other hues flow through you, moving through skin, blending the boundaries of form, and sink in, allowing the brain to align, to trust, to know it is true. Let go that which no longer serves you, in belief and patterned ways of thinking and emotion. See them float away, say goodbye, and thank them for the lessons they've brought to the experiences on your pathway. And untie those strings, those cords latched to you. And as you do, they dissolve, they are gone, and you breathe in the healing essence you are. It is your core. It radiates through. It is the truth of full reality. Harmony. Harmony at your core. Along your spine, as you continue letting go, as you continue vibrating as the wholeness and radiant good health you are, holding your intention strong, true. You notice that your spine, from the brainstem down through every vertebrae, all muscles and ligaments and circulatory aspects attached, all blood vessels and veins down to your tailbone, radiating off the spine as pure golden light. And the signal, the message relayed is that of harmony, harmonious living, and truth of self as pure love. the intention set. You know within your being the love that flows through. And you open in trust and love as energy, essence, the being you are. And through your feet, exiting the body, the white and pink and lavender, the golden and other colors flow, connecting you in essence with Mother Earth, your physical home. And you are stable, you are grounded, and you are able to perceive the change within the life you live. And from the expansion upon the top of your head, for these energies running through your body, continue. And exiting the top while still flowing in, you connect through the 8th chakra, the 9th, the 10th, expanding out to pure source. Consciousness that is the whole, the space that abounds, the void, as pure love. And allow yourself to float, to drift, holding your focus, your intention on that of the radiant good health of your mind, your body, your emotion, your energy form, condensed as physical. And know that you are guided, that you are always connected and whole, and return yourself often, daily, and throughout the days and night to this alignment, the alignment of your core, the knowing of truth of who and what you are. For through practice, through perseverance, so you experience change in form and in the world. With love, with blessing, spread yourself out and allow your integration of knowing to occur. We are love, the consciousness in which you are a part, with love as love being, the tone vibration, your glorious spark. Release yourself. Release yourself from fear, from aggravation and pain, and expand. Expand. Expand as love, the true essence you are, and never once cease to be. You are love. You are beauty. You are whole and complete. Peace be. And be the peace.